Do you want to launch and sell your own course on Warrior Plus? This course is your ticket to launching your very own digital course in just 14 days. On Warrior Plus, it will take you from zero to launch even if you've never created a course before. This is your secret weapon, a complete 14-day blueprint. Forget feeling lost or overwhelmed, everything is broken down. The entire course creation process into manageable daily steps, from planning your content to launching and selling like a pro. Click the link below this video to get started. Absolutely no tech skills? No problem. This course is designed for absolute beginners. You get step-by-step guidance, daily manageable tasks, and complete support so you can create your course with confidence. Imagine having an AI assistant to help you create your course. AI-powered tools will generate content, build your sales page, create email sequences, and even write your video scripts. It's like having a course creation superpower. This isn't just theory, it's proven. Students are seeing incredible results, like generating $33,000 in just 7 days. And with our system, beginners are achieving a 100% success rate. Get ready to write your own success story. This is so simple. The system is straightforward and easy to follow. Start with your idea, plug it into the 14-day blueprint with AI tools, and watch as it transforms into a finished course ready to generate sales and revenue. Worried about needing a huge email list or fancy funnels? Don't be. You can launch successfully even with 0 subscribers. You'll be shown a simple sales system that doesn't require a huge investment or advanced technical skills. Here's the best part. You can get the complete system, including AI tools, sales page templates, email sequences, and a launch strategy guide for just $27. That's an incredible value for everything you're getting. You are, of course, covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free, test the system, and if you're not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. This is more than just a course. It's a complete digital creation package. You're getting the proven 14-day system, powerful AI creation tools, ready-to-use templates, and a winning launch strategy. This system is perfect for course creation beginners. Start by mastering the course creation process, then implement each step without feeling overwhelmed, and finally, achieve a successful launch and start earning from your knowledge. Click the link below this video to get started today.